Hello and welcome to another class of how to use EasyClass. Okay, now we're in the state of being logged in. If you're not, log in again. And we click on courses. We're going to create a course. And my course I'm going to call Seaford Services IT. In the first class, I'm going to call HTML, capitals, HTML for beginners. It's not a grading like that. Enable moderation, yes. Membership approval, yes. Save. This field is required. Okay, just select other for that, for myself, unless you're teaching school syllabuses. Okay, now our course is created. Over here we've got an access code, and that's an access code that we can give away to students or we can sell to students. Okay, course is set up, class wall, we've got discussions, assignments, quizzes, gradebook, members and class library. Okay, that's it for this video.